I'm Maya.
And I'm Sabrina.
And welcome to the Ranfastics 3. Today we are going to be doing another fashion video.
And it's how to curl your hair with the curler, not hot curls like our previous video. And we will link that below.
Yeah, this is the VS Sassoon hair curler.
And I got this from Loft.
And the cool thing is it is a hair curler, but also, if you unlock it, it can become a straightener. So that's really cool. And by the way, this is right now on, so we'll be very careful.
Yeah,
not
it's very
heated.
And I lost my gloves, and we prefer you to use some heat protectant on your hair, but we don't have any, so we're just gonna do it very carefully. And
do not burn your hair off.
So this heat is from 180 degrees to yeah, it's up to 180 degrees, so it can't go up that high. So we're just gonna do it on medium.
So yeah,
there, so you can like turn it here.
Let's get started.
Sorry.
Okay, let's see. Every girl does that. So let's get started.
First, I'm going to be curling Maya's hair. So let's get started. So we start from the bottom. And just wrap it around. Like that. So you're going to wait about 10 seconds.
Or longer, depending on how high your heat is or how low it is.
So ours is on medium because we don't want to do so like that.
It is a very subtle curl, but that's how we like it.
And this is a 2-inch curler, I guess.
We're pretty sure.
Yeah.
And if we told you before, you can of course make it more fancy or bigger if you have a smaller one. We like it being a lot more natural looking, so like we mentioned in our hot curl video. Okay, we decided to only curl half of my hair because that will just take too long to do all of it. And of course, I look kind of weird, but you can kind of see the difference. So you can see the difference from curls to my straight hair.
So after you're done, we recommend you to close it first to cool off a bit.
Yeah, and then hairspray your hair, but I decided not to because I'm just going to be going somewhere after, and I don't really care if my hair looks like this. Yeah. But that is how you do it, I guess. Now I'll be doing Sabrina. So if this was curled, I guess like curliness, like yeah. So now I'm doing Sabrina.
Subscribe, like, and favorite this video. We decided not to curl my hair, so yeah. Remember to share and subscribe. And this video was made long ago, but I am just going to post it now, and we forgot to do an ending, so I am just going to do that. So yeah, bye.